In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video in a PowerPoint presentation from YouTube and offline. Let's go to Google Chrome. Open YouTube. Suppose this is the video that I want to insert in a presentation. To do this, right-click on the video. In the pop-up, click on Copy Link Address. Close the Chrome browser. Launch the PowerPoint app and take a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Video. In the drop-down menu, click on Online Videos. Here, paste the video link you just copied. After pasting, you can see a preview of your video here. Click on Insert. Here, our video is inserted into the slide. You can resize the video by dragging the edge of the video. If I click on the video, you can see that the video runs perfectly. Following these steps, you can not only insert YouTube videos, but any kind of online videos you like. Now let's see how to insert offline videos. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Video. This time, select this device. Go to your video location and select your video. Just like before, you can resize and reposition your video. If I click on the play button, the video runs smoothly.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.